Hi, so today we'll be discussing a CAT 2017 question on ratios. Okay, so first of all, let's take down the information. What is given to us? A stall sells popcorn and chips in packets of three sizes: large, super, and jumbo. The number of large, super, and jumbo packets in its stock are in the ratio 7:17:16 for popcorn, and in the ratio 6:15:14 for chips. So here we've first been given two ratios. So let's take them down. For popcorn and for chips, the ratio of large is to super is to jumbo is 7:17:16, and for chips it is 6:15:14. Okay, now let's move forward. The total number of popcorn packets in stock is the same as that of chips packets. Okay, hey, hold on. Total number of popcorn packets in stock is the same as that of chips packets. So what will be the total number of popcorn packets here? So I'll add another parameter here and I'll say let's add all of them to get the total. So total popcorn packets in this ratio would become 7, 17, 24 and 16. So if there are 7 large, 17 super and 16 jumbo, the total would be 40 packets. Whereas for chips, the total would be in proportion of 6 plus 15, 21 plus 14, that is 35. Now, understand one thing. What we've been given is this total number of popcorn packets is the same as total number of chips packets. Okay. Let's move forward and understand what has been asked. Then the number of jumbo popcorn packets and the number of jumbo chips packets, that is this number, are in what ratio? Alright. Now before we go forward in this question, we need to understand we were given one thing, that this total is equal to this total. But this is 40 and this is 30. Can we make it total in some way and then say that the numbers are equal? Because now a 40 of this ratio is equal to a 35 of this ratio. So to be able to compare the two ratios, we need to find the connecting value. Here the connecting value was the total number of packets. 40 packets here and 35 packets here are equal. To actually compare numbers from year and year, which one is bigger, which one is smaller, and what is the ratio, we need to make these numbers actually equal. So to make them equal, I realize that this number 40 is 5 into 8 and this number is 5 into 7. If these two ratios have to be compared, I need to understand that this number and this number has to be made equal. We do that by making both of them equal to their LCM. Now what is the LCM? So this is 5 into 8, this is 5 into 7. To make them equal, I'll say here I need a 7 and here I need a 8. But hold on, if I multiply this number by 8 and this number by 7, their corresponding ratios, all the values also need to be multiplied by 7 and 8 respectively. So if I multiplied a 7 here, I need to multiply a 7 here, I need to multiply a 7 here, and I also need to multiply a 7 here. And likewise, if I am multiplying a 8 here, I need to multiply a 8 here, 8 here, and 8 here. What does this do? So now I can clearly say the number of large popcorn packets is, if the number of large popcorn packets is 7 into 7, that is 49. The number of large chips packets would be 6 into 8, that is 48. If the number of super popcorn packets would be 17 into 7, the number of super chips packets would be 15 into 8. And we were then asked to find a ratio between jumbo popcorn packets, that is 16 into 7, and the jumbo chips packets, that is 14 into 8. So this and this, the ratio would be 16 into 7 is to 14 into 8. Now you can cancel out terms. 7 goes once, 7 goes twice. 8 goes once, 8 goes twice, and 2 gets cancelled, and we get the final ratio as 1 is to 1. So the ratio of jumbo popcorn packets and the ratio of jumbo chips packets is 1 is to 1, and that's why our answer would be option A. Thank you.